time for your ABC 36 Storm Team forecast.
A wet and stormy Friday here in central and eastern Kentucky is expected. Plenty of humidity around. We've got that frontal boundary out to the west, which will not move through until the end of the day tomorrow. So a few strong storms are going to be possible. And there is a low-end spin-up tornado threat. Again, it is very low, but it's non-zero. Lingering showers, rumble of thunder. A little cooler Sunday, Monday, but then the payoff, another fall-like stretch with comfortable temperatures and lower humidity levels on the horizon into next week. A big cluster of heavy rain-producing thunderstorms finally moving out of eastern Kentucky. We've had time to recover quite a difference in temperatures from the southeast back here into the bluegrass. A little outflow boundary, rain-cooled air from the earlier showers and storms, and that's providing some additional moderate to heavy showers. Haven't seen any lightning out of this. Approaching the US 27 corridor, Science Hill up into northeastern or northwestern Pulaski County and up into southern Lincoln County, Waynesburg and Eubank. And this little cell got a little bit of lightning in it coming up US 68 west side of Maysville and down toward Mays Lick there in western and west central Mason County. Look at all the lightning and the heavy rain with that batch earlier across southern southeast Kentucky. We had a morning round here in the bluegrass looking at rainfall totals about 1/4 to 1/2 inch with the Kentucky Mesonet northern half of the viewing area, but a much different story down south. Look at Knox County, over 2 inches with those heavier downpours. The sun is back out in Mount Sterling. It's 82. Our dew points are up, so our feel likes have been climbing the ladder through the course of the afternoon. Casey County got a little sunshine down there. Storms off to your east now, 84. So look at the difference. Rain-cooled air and clouds down south, southeast. Here in central Kentucky, we're in the mid to upper 80s, and this is what we've managed to avoid for the last week or so. Those uncomfortable dew point temperatures, low to mid 70s. Awfully muggy out there. There's your frontal boundary still back to the west. It will be a slow mover. Now, a few isolated storms can't be ruled out, so keep that in mind for your Friday evening as you get a jump start on the weekend. Quiet much of the overnight. We start out 70-ish and then we warm up quickly with some sunshine in the morning. By noon, we're around the 90-degree mark, and then the storms start to fire. And because of that scenario with the hot and humid air in place, level 2 in yellow, much of the viewing area, damaging wind gusts with any big storm that goes up. But as mentioned, just a brief tornado spin up can't be ruled out to go along with the heavier downpours. A reminder, it's a weekend, it's a summer weekend, and folks have things going on. So download the new ABC 36 weather app, Apple App Store and Google Play. Again, it will give you advisories no matter where you are. We're going to hang on to the rain chances into Sunday, scattered mind you, but it will cool down behind the front with a little energy lagging behind. So we'll be in the upper 70s with a few scattered showers, and those will be confined to southeastern Kentucky on Monday, and then we get big time improvement. Look at the drop off in the muggy cast. We're in the comfy zone next Tuesday and Wednesday, similar to what we had about a week ago. Last weekend, temperatures will be below average early next week, so something to look forward to, but of course we have to get there first. Isolated storms this evening, then a few clouds, mainly dry and muggy overnight, 70. Hot and humid tomorrow, probably around 90 or so early afternoon before those storms crank up. Extended forecast here. We drop temperatures back, hang on to the scattered shower chances, and then our best days will be Tuesday and Wednesday. Low 80s, low humidity, and look at those early morning lows. It does warm up a bit, but at this point, good news, high school football kicks off a week from today. Should be dry with afternoon highs in the mid 80s.